When I see distortion in a leaf, then I automatically flip it upside down and look for pests. You look at this and it's mottled. If you look underneath it, you're going to see little tiny webs, little tiny spiders. Those little tiny spots are spider mites. So you can do a couple things. You can either knock them off with a strong stream of water, or you can hit them with neem oil. The neem oil will do the same thing to the spider mites that it's going to do to the aphids. And neem oil is extremely soft on the plants. So I like to just have on the end of a hose sprayer, and then you can just spray everything down. The best time to apply neem oil is an overcast day, a cooler day where the neem oil will stay on the plant a little bit longer, because you have to touch the aphids to kill them with the neem oil.